Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how we make money online. So if those things interest you, go ahead and smash that like button, punch that subscribe button. Helps us a ton in the algorithm, and that would mean more than you know. All right, guys. So in this video, we're going to talk about how you can get a $10,000 credit card with horrible credit, with bad credit, okay, and with no hard credit check. Absolutely. Okay. So part of this whole new thing with all these fintechs that I've been talking about on my channel, make sure you watch all the playlists. I've got playlists on no credit check products, financial literacy. Go through the channel, binge watch all the videos you can, learn as much as you can. But these new fintechs are really evening the playing field for people, where it's not about what your past is, but what your present is, right? So a lot of people have been approved for these type of cards, the pedal card specifically, with like a 550, 600. So if you have really bad credit and you're looking to rebuild your credit, look to get some positive trade lines, pedal could be for you. Okay. Now there's a couple data points that I want to kind of go over before we look at this card together. The first thing is there's going to be no annual fees with these cards. No international fees, okay? What's also going to be nice about these pedal cards is they're going to report to all three credit bureaus, okay? So once you're using the card, it's going to report to all three bureaus, not one, but all three, okay? The pre-approval process is going to be a soft pull, okay? You will not have a hard pull until you're actually approved for the credit card, okay, until you decide to move forward with it. That's when you'll get the hard pull. But the pre-approval process, you will not get a hard pull to see if you qualify for this or not, okay? You have to accept it and everything, and then a hard pull will happen for you, okay? What else did I want to kind of go over with you? Okay, if you've had a bankruptcy in the last 48 months, this card won't be for you, okay? And this is going to be income based, and they're going to want to see about 3 months of banking info. All right, so let's take a look at this card, okay? So basically, they're going to have two different cards, but let's just pull up the card thing here for us here. Give me 1 second here. My internet's a little bit slow. Pedal card 1, okay? So pedal card 1 is going to be for people that this is going to be their lower tier card, okay? Their APR is going to be pretty high. WebBank. Okay, they're pretty well known, FDIC approved. WebBank does a lot of these type of products. They get their hands in a lot of that, okay? But they're going to have a credit limit between $500 and $500. Both cards have a minimum limit of $500, okay? No annual fees. Late return fees may apply though, okay? Cashback 2% to 10%, okay? So remember, APR is something that you never have to pay for if you're paying your bill on time. This APR applies when you don't pay your bill in full, okay? But $500 to $5,000, so that's going to be their lowest tier type of card, okay? Scrolling down here, see if there's anything else we need. No international fee. You're going to Mexico, going to Canada, going to Bali, whatever, you're good. No annual fees, that's nice. Okay, so they're going to kind of compare this card a little bit to the Capital One Platinum card. Everybody knows that I hate Capital One. I would definitely recommend a pedal over a Capital One card. Cashback, which is nice, no annual fee, cool. Capital One does start pretty low on limits. You're at least going to get a 500 there. Okay. Wow, their APR is pretty tough there too. Yeah, I'm not a fan of Capital One at all. Guys, you can start applying. This is going to be their lower tier cards, okay? Here's their second tier. Maybe you can apply for both of them, see which one you qualify for, okay? This is going to have a much better APR, pretty much 13% to 27%, okay? WebBank still. 500 to 10,000, okay? This is what I was talking about on the YouTube thumbnail. $10,000 limit, no hard credit check, okay? Cashback 1 to 1.5, no fees. We scroll down here a little bit more. Cashback, good. Control your spending, credit reimagine. Okay, so this is going to be comparable to the Quicksilver and the Discover It. I like Discover. I love their customer service, but they're not really friendly on giving high limits of credit. I'll tell you that. No annual or international fees, okay? No late or return payments. Boom, boom, across the board there. Cashback. minimum credit limit 500, that very comparable there. Yeah, Discover's got a little bit better of the APR, but it's tougher to get approved for a Discover card. I like Pedal, okay? And then they have the app too that you can download on your phone and kind of see it a little bit more of where you're spending. You want to get on track with it. A lot of people like these type of apps. You can plan your month out. There's payment calculators involved in it. Find cashback near you. That's cool, where you can see what merchants are there. Pretty cool. Oh, wow. You can unsubscribe. So we can automatically highlight popular subscriptions. Wow, that's really cool. Yeah, this looks pretty sweet, guys. I like Pedal. I've heard of them. I don't personally have them. But if anybody's looking to rebuild or restart their credit, I know a lot of you guys have asked me on the channel, what card should I get? I think this would be a great option. As long as you're making income, they're going to ask you for your date of birth. They're going to ask you for your address. They're going to ask you for your social, your taxpayer number, right? They're going to ask you for those things. They're going to see 3 months of banking data, how much your rent is, things like that. Yeah, I like Pedal as an option for a lot of you guys out there that are looking to rebuild or start credit. And like I said, it doesn't take a high credit score. People have been approved with 550, 600. They're more concerned about, are you making money right now? Can we prove that in your bank? And so it's going to be like, if we even click start applying, so you guys can see how the credit app looks a little bit here. Okay. You're going to put your number in and you're going to start the application in that way. Okay. Pretty simple. I think these are going to be more of the future with these fintech companies, but I would go ahead and give Pedal a try if you are rebuilding or restarting your credit. Yeah, see, every time you do that, they don't want you. They want you to apply, people. They want you to apply. I'll try and go back. There we go. And then you can even click the about. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I like how simple things are. Helping build credit, not debt. Okay. What bank, TransUnion. Yeah, I like the card a lot. I know I'm being a little redundant there. Guys, go ahead and put in the comment below if anybody you know has had Pedal, if they like Pedal. Are you looking to get the Pedal card? Comment yes or no. Also, comment your questions so that way I can make videos. I'm making videos daily on all of these different credit products and credit questions. I'm trying to like overwhelm the industry here and YouTube with free, authentic, real commentary on credit, so that way you guys can have the information you need to apply it to your situation. Everybody's situation is different. There's no cookie cutter situation. My cards that I go after may be different than the cards that you go after. It comes down to, what is the end result? Are you trying to leverage debt? Are you trying to get free travel? Are you trying to get money back? You know, are you going after business cards? Are you going after checking lines of credit or personal lines of credit? It all depends on what you're going after, okay? So that is my review on Pedal. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I've got more videos coming every single day, and soon it will start being twice a day. So make sure that you are subscribed, and check out the private Facebook group as well. That is there for you guys. There's no selling. There's no spamming involved in it. So if you guys have questions, it's a safe place to ask your questions and grow and get to know one another and help each other out in your credit journey. All right, Radical Marketers, take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.